Hey everyone, I'm Abby and I'm the social media manager here at SBBlooms.
And I'm Emily and I'm the social media coordinator.
And we are here to bring you a how-to with SBBlooms. This is part of our series, but today we're doing things a little differently. We are taking a request from Amy P in our Facebook group. She wanted to see this install with the Kinsley Collection, so we are here to do just that. The tools needed for this install are
zip ties, wire cutters. You will also need a structure to build on. Today we are using this copper piping that we got from Home Depot, but you can definitely use PVC pipe or any structure you may have. So here are the products that you will need: the Kinsley Garland, Silver Dollar Eucalyptus Garland, the Baby's Breath bush.
All right, now let's get into it. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is put the Silver Dollar Eucalyptus Garland on our structure to give it some extra greenery and kind of fluff it up some. Okay, this looks so good. We just added Larkspur and Baby's Breath to the Kinsley to break up some of the pinks. Now you can keep it as is, but we're gonna keep adding to it because we think hanging lanterns from it would be really cute. So we're gonna do that next. Stay tuned. Okay, to hang the lanterns, you'll need some fishing line, and we're just going to put it around the handle so that they hang here.
And we're using this brand, and the weight is 20 pounds.
Okay, and there you have it, a Kinsley table arch. This is perfect for your rectangle table, sweetheart table, bar area, food table, literally anything. It was so easy to recreate. We did add Larkspur Spray halfway through because we thought a touch of blue would just be so cute. And then we also added these small cane lanterns towards the end because we thought they needed something else. So we just variated heights, and it turned out so cute. We can't wait to see y'all recreate this look. Amy P, I hope you love it and it exceeded all your expectations. Please tag us in the photos if you do recreate this. And special guest John's.
Hey guys.
She places all of the new flowers that come in into inventory.
Yes. Controls
So,
were all good.
yes.
Thanks for jumping in, John. How do
Of
you
course.
how do you think this turned out?
Oh, I love it. I love Kinsley, and I love the what is that? Larkspur.
Yep.
Yeah.
Love
All
it.
right, John's approved.
Good job, guys.
Thank you. If you like this install and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
All right, guys, we'll see you next time.
Bye.